Hello, parents and guardians and students of Miss McLean's Grade 2 class at Billy Green. This is a little introduction, and you'll see in the following slides a little bit more information about all the technology that we'll be using in class. It's mostly housed on my website, so this is where I'd like you to go, and then log in and allow your child to start using the applications and support them. So to do that, I'll explain a little bit about them, but these are the titles of each one. Brightspace, this is my newsletter, it brings you to a blog. Flipgrid, which is for language. We have 3 math choices, applications to choose from. SplashLearn, Prodigy, Khan Academy, and then Sora for reading. And then finally, Buddy Board Games, which allows students to play board games virtually.